Hello everybody, this is Friesen and I will make a short show about die-cast trucks in 1:87 scale, and here is my short collection of these. Here is Siku Aral truck from the German oil company Aral. Aral is part of the BP oil company, British Petrol, and it is very nice detailed. We can see here warning signs that is typical for German trucks. That is here on the trailer, and it is detailed. It's very nice. The front truck is very heavy, more heavy than the Majorette castings, and it has rubber tires. The base is plastic. Here we can see all the really nice detailed rubber tires, and it is a little bit not easy, and it has here piece to put this back. So this is the Siku truck, and now I will show another. I shared this before, and in another video, this truck the Abu Dhabi racing transporter from the VRC racing team of Ford. And here we have the front piece. It is not so heavy like the Siku truck, but it's really nice, although nice detailed. I have another variation of it. Here is that I've bought yesterday, the Lamborghini truck, another M.A.N truck with plastic decals on it, and it looks also nice. And I have here the cart transporter that is also nice. I shared this before. And I have here another truck that I've bought yesterday. This is an older casting from Majorette, and although the trailer is older, because the whole trailer of this old piece is from 2010, 2011, and it's the back trailer is only plastic. But it is also nice. It is not detailed with much tempos. Total is a French oil company, and but it is nice detailed casting, the plastic. So I try to, well, these wheels are okay. These are cold molded plastic wheels, but very authentic, although. But this is, I have to fix one of those pieces, and the casting is a little bit different with the newer truck. You can see it here now. So we have two different. I hope everybody can see this, that the front grille is a little bit different, the front lights. This piece here in front is more detailed. It has a plastic. This black piece on the top is plastic, and here this is part of the metal casting. The sides are a little bit different, and the base is also. So this is a very cool truck. Another thing that I like, oh, whoops, truck transporter. Here are older castings of the Smoby Majorette. This is an older American truck design. I don't know what it is. I believe it is a Kenworth, another Kenworth. I mentioned this before, and I have this Kenworth Peterbilt truck with opening, a Golf truck with an opening hood, and here is the back piece, the trailer. It's a little bit older, so it has a little bit more flea bites, and I found this from flea market, but it is also really nice, and you can switch the trailers between the older and the actual trailers now. No, I thought, no, it doesn't work. Okay. Oh, so that was my video about trucks from Majorette and from Siku. Here you can see all the 3 different M.A.N. trucks. And please comment and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.